Hello guys, good evening. This is Umakant. Today I just thought of talking about one psychology called Gestalt psychology. Some people call it as Gestalt psychology also. In this psychology, it has been seen that there is always a domination war which is going on between wife and husband. Okay, there is also a domination war which is going on between father and son. There is a domination war which is going on between daughter-in-law and mother. There is a domination war which is going on between student and a master. So you see that, in a family kind of a structure, it has been seen that there is always a domination war which is going on between each other. You may have a domination war with people with whom with you regularly interact. Maybe it is a part of your extended family. Maybe it is a part of your real friend or a nearest friend or a nearest family member. What happens is that most of the time, it has been seen that people want to show their power and domination to the people in the family. Okay, so you can see that, father want to dominate his son. He understands that at one point of time he may have to give his property to his son, but he does not want to take that position back. He does not want to lose the power of authority. Mother knows that at one point of time she has to lose her position to the daughter-in-law, but she doesn't want to leave her position as such. She wants to stick to the position and stick to the power and authority. But finally what happens? The mother has to lose to daughter-in-law and she has to give her authority to the daughter-in-law. Father has to lose his power and he has to give his power to the son. Okay, and even in most of the relationship, what is happening is, even a master has to leave his position and has to give this position to his student. So, but our domination, our enmity which is inside us is keep on continuing in a relationship which is closed way. Okay, we call this as a closed door relationship wherein there is always a domination war based on the sexuality which is going on. And also it is seen between the husband and wife. They have this domination war which is going on always within them. They want to show the power. They want to occupy the position of each other. You see that the wife want to occupy the position of his husband and husband want to occupy the position of his wife. Husband does not want to give power to his wife and wife does not want to give power to his husband. So there is always a war to show this dominance. But what is happening is, in order to prove this dominance, what is happening is that the enmity is continuing. There is a slight enmity which is there in the hearts of these two people. In the dominant war, what is happening is that, most of the times this enmity grows up, it breeds up over a period of time. So the love factor is reducing over a period of time. So see, the family structure is so loosely constructed by the people and the society that it has not been trained properly that you should stay in love. Apart from love, these people are fighting with each other over dominance, and they're also fighting with each other to prove that they are right and other person is wrong. So this is like, loosely our family structure is designed. But what we need to do is that, we have to adapt. We have to change to the new culture. That new culture is nothing but a path of love, wherein you both family, in a family, all of the people can stay in harmony and peace. Develop a culture that upbrings and that, that encourages the growth of love, peace, harmony and joy in the family. Though it is father and son, though it is daughter-in-law and mother, or though it is wife and husband, though it is student and master, we must always put a step towards which, we can have peace and joy established amongst each other. So see you guys, this is what the message I wanted to convey. So I'm just enjoying this fresh breeze which is coming up from this location, and we'll catch you up in my next videos speaking about life, feelings and emotions. So you guys, this is Umakant, your life coach and mentor. Bye.